Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we were doing unit number 2, okay, and we have done mostly we have covered actually most of the topics from the unit number 2, and now we are left with only one topic from the unit number 2, that is branches of medicine. Okay, so as you can see on my screen as well, so this is the topic from the book, that is branches of medicine. This is the last topic that from the unit number 2 that we need to discuss. Okay, so all of you kindly open your books at page number 83, that is branches of medicine. Okay, so this is the last chapter or the last topic from unit number 2. Chale. So first of all, before starting with the topic, so let's discuss what is the meaning of this branches of medicine. Okay, so what is the meaning of this topic? So देखिए बेटा, in this topic we will discuss about various doctors, those who are specialized in some particular field or treating some particular problems. ओके आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए वी गो टू पर्टिकुलर डॉक्टर्स, स्पेशली जैसे कि इफ यू आर हैविंग सम प्रॉब्लम विद योर टूथ एंड टीथ, जब हमारे दांतों में, टूथ में या टीथ में कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है, हम किसके पास जाते हैं? वी कंसल्ट अ डेंटिस्ट। ओके, वैसे ही जब हमारे पास कोई बोन्स के रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम होती है, इफ यू आर हैविंग एनी इशू रिलेटेड टू योर बोन्स, ओके, हड्डी, अगर किसी की कभी बोन कभी गिर के हड्डी टूट जाती है या हड्डी फेयर लाइन फ्रैक्चर हो जाता है, सी वी गो टू द ऑर्थोडोंटिस्ट, सॉरी वी गो टू द ऑर्थोलॉजिस्ट, हम ऑर्थो के पास जाते हैं, हड्डियों के डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं। Okay, so just like that, in this topic we will discuss about the various doctors that whom we should consult if we face such any problems that related to that particular organ. ओके, तो इसमें पर्टिकुलर ऑर्गन्स के अगर हम कोई प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करते हैं, कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, ओके, सम देयर इज सम इशू, सो whom we are going to consult if we, हमें किस डॉक्टर को कंसल्ट करना चाहिए, ओके, और हम किसको कंसल्ट करते भी हैं, ओके, और यू आर जस्ट गिविंग अ सजेशन. So here it is given, what kind of doctors would you call to diagnose the following. तो देखिए, कुछ पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए, कुछ ऑर्गन्स के लिए, कुछ पर्टिकुलर चीज की डॉक्टर्स को स्पेशलाइज्ड होते हैं, तो हमें किसको कंसल्ट करना चाहिए अगर आपको जो नीचे दी गई जो प्रॉब्लम्स है, some points that are given here, there's near about 12 points that is given here. So if someone is facing problem related to these 12 problems, so whom they are going to for the consultation, तो वो कंसल्टेशन के लिए कौन से डॉक्टर्स के पास जाएंगे? Starting with the first one, Jimmy has a skin infection, he should consult a dermatologist. Okay, so जो Jimmy है, he is having some problems or he is facing some infection related to his skin, so whom he is going to consult? So he is going to consult a dermatologist. Okay, so the spellings of dermatologist is DERMATOLOGIST, dermatologist. So dermatologists, they deal with the problem or they diagnose the problems that are related to our skin. So skin से related कोई भी problems होती हैं, for that we should consult a dermatologist. Okay, तो आपने देखा होगा टीवी पे एक एड भी आती है डर्मिकूल पाउडर की. ओके, सो इट्स नेम डर्मी. डर्मी देखिए, डर्मिकूल पाउडर जो टैल्कम पाउडर है, वी अप्लाई इट ऑन आवर स्किन, तो स्किन के ऊपर अप्लाई करते हैं हम अपनी, सो उसी से इसका नाम बना है, दैट इज डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट से ही इसका नाम लिया गया है, दैट इज डर्मी. Okay, so okay, if someone has is okay, here the condition he have given, उन्हें बोला कि जिमी हैज अ स्किन इन्फेक्शन, जिमी को स्किन से इन्फेक्शन है, उसके स्किन में इन्फेक्शन है, सो whom he is going to consult? So he is going to consult a dermatologist. Okay, spellings, I'm repeating it once again, DERMATOLOGIST, dermatologist. Moving next to the second one, Kriti's grandmother who is aged needs a checkup. Kriti should take her to a geriatrician. Geriatrician. Okay, so Kriti's grandmother who is aged needs a checkup. तो कृति है उसकी जो grandmother है, उसकी दादी है या नानी है, she is quite very old. अब वो बहुत बुढ़ी हो चुकी है. तो you know the people when they went to the old age, जब old age में जाते तो they start facing some different problems related to health. अक्सर आपने सुना होगा कि जो बूढ़े लोग होते हैं, जो ज़्यादा एजेड होते हैं, उनको कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम उनके बॉडी के साथ कुछ ना कुछ आती रहती है. सो दे जनरली फील सम प्रॉब्लम्स, ओके, विद देयर बॉडी. सो Kriti wants to take her granddaughter, sorry, grandmother to a doctor so that she can have a complete checkup of her grandmother. तो अपनी grandmother का complete checkup करवाने के लिए जो कृति है वो अपनी grandmother को एक डॉक्टर के पास लेके जाना चाहती है. कृति should take her to her, तो वो किस डॉक्टर के पास लेके जाएगी? So कृति should take her to a geriatrician. So she should take her mother to a geriatricians. The spellings of geriatrician is Geria Geria Trician. Geriatrician. Geriatrician. This is geriatrician. Okay. So she should take her grandmother to a geriatrician. Moving next to the third one. Atul's father has heart problems. So Atul, he should consult a cardiologist. Okay, so Atul की जो father है, he is suffering some problem related to his heart, or he is having some problem in his heart. So functioning of heart है या जो भी है, उनको कुछ heart की problems है. So उनको किसको consult करना चाहिए? So, for having the diagnosis of the heart disease or the heart problems, Atul should take her father to a cardiologist. तो अपने father की heart problem के diagnose करवाने के लिए, उसकी proper medicine के लिए, उसकी proper treatment के लिए, Atul should take her father to a cardiologist. अतुल को अपने पापा को cardiologist के पास लेके जाना पड़ेगा. He should take his father to a cardiologist. Okay, so the cardiologists are the doctors, specialized doctor who diagnose the problems related to the heart. Okay, they even do the bypass surgeries as well. तो जो हार्ट की प्रॉब्लम्स के साथ डील करते हैं या हार्ट की प्रॉब्लम्स को डायग्नोज करते हैं, जो डॉक्टर्स होते हैं, दे ट्रीट द पेशेंट्स दैट आर दोज हु आर सफरिंग विद हार्ट प्रॉब्लम्स. ओके, सो so the doctors, those who are specialized in dealing with the problems related to heart, are known as cardiologists. So the spelling of cardiologist is Cardiologist. That is cardiologist. Clear? Moving next to the fourth one. Mayank is having a problem in digesting things. So it's not Mayank, it is Mayanka. Mayanka is having a problem in digesting things. She should go to a gastro gastroenterologist. ओके, सो मयंका जो है उसको डाइजेशन में प्रॉब्लम है. दैट मीन्स शी इज नॉट एबल टू डाइजेस्ट फूड प्रॉपरली, और शी इज हैविंग सम मतलब उसको कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. शी मस्ट बी हैविंग द स्टमक एक्ट ड्यू टू डाइजेशन. तो आपने देखा होगा जब डाइजेशन नहीं होती, स्पेशली द पीपल दे हैव मोस्टली दे हैव सम डाइजेशन, तो दे हैविंग स्टार्ट हैविंग, उनको स्टमक एक होना शुरू हो जाता है, पेट दर्द होना शुरू हो जाता है. ठीक है, वॉमिट इज ऑल्सो देयर. ओके, so and they are not able to digest their food. So whom they should consult if such kind of problem is faced by any person? So they should consult a gastroenterologist. Spelling is GASTRO, 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 gastroentero, enterologist, gastroenterologist. So you can check the spellings from here as well. This is GASTROENTEROLOGIST, gastroenterologist. Okay. So for learning the spellings of gastroenterologist, just divide it like gastro, G-A-S-T-R-O, gastro, entero, E-N-T-E-R-O, enterologist, L-O-G-I-S-T. The words को तोड़ के याद करोगे बेटा, then you will be easily able to underline it. Okay, this is gastroenterologist. Moving next to the fifth one, Gopal's mother's hormone levels are not balanced. She should consult an endocrinologist. Okay, so here they have given a condition. So there's a boy whose name is Gopal. तो गोपाल की जो मदर है, ओके, शी उनके जो हार्मोन्स लेवल है दैट इज नॉट बैलेंस्ड. सो दैट मीन्स हर हार्मोन्स हैज गॉट, ओके, तो जो उनके हार्मोन्स हैं वो बैलेंस्ड नहीं है. बैलेंस्ड मीन्स कि मतलब दे आर नॉट एबल टू, मतलब सम मतलब से मस्ट बी हैविंग सम प्रॉब्लम, प्रॉब्लम विद दोज डिसबैलेंस ऑफ हार्मोन्स. तो मोस्टली जो ओल्ड एज में जब हार्मोन्स डिसबैलेंस होते हैं तो पीपल दे सफर मोस्ट प्रॉब्लम्स. सो ही वांट्स टू get her diagnosed from the okay, so that he wants to take her to a doctor who can diagnose her problem easily. Okay, so whom she should consult or whom she should take her mother to. So he should take her mother to a endocrinologist. He should take her mother to a endocrinologist. So the spelling of endocrinologist is ENDOCRINO Crinologist, LOGIST. देखो endo, spelling of endo is ENDO, endo, crino, CRINO, crinologist, LOGIST, endocrinologist. Okay, so if someone is facing problem related to the disbalance of hormones, so they should consult a endocrinologist. तो देखिए जरूरी नहीं अलग अलग डॉक्टर्स अपने क्लिनिक्स हॉस्पिटल्स खोल के बैठे हों. कई बार क्या होता है एक ही हॉस्पिटल के अंदर यू विल गेट ऑलमोस्ट इन द बिग हॉस्पिटल स्पेशली यू कैन इजीली गेट ऑल द स्पेशलाइज्ड डॉक्टर्स. ठीक है, एक ही हॉस्पिटल में आपको हर फील्ड के स्पेशलाइज्ड डॉक्टर्स मिल जाते हैं स्पेशली इन द बिग हॉस्पिटल्स. ओके, चलिए moving next to the sixth one. Okay, so Farhan is suspected to suffer from blood cancer. He should go to a, okay, so now here the condition is little bit severe. Okay, तो देखिए फरहान is suspected. So फरहान suspected है कि शायद उसको he is having blood cancer. Okay, so he should go to a hematologist. He should go to a hematologist. The spellings of hematologist is HAEMATOLOGIST. Hematologist. देखिए हेमा एच पहले हेमा की स्पेलिंग लर्न करिए. HAEMA, HAEMA, हेमेटोलॉजिस्ट, TOLOGIST, hematologist. Okay, so Farhan is suspected of blood cancer. So this being observed, or he is being suspected that he is maybe suffering from blood cancer. So he should get himself diagnosed. तो उसको अपने आप को diagnose करवाना है so that he is properly sure about it कि whether he is having such problem or not. So he should consult a hematologist for diagnosing his problem rate of blood cancer. Spellings of hematologist, I am repeating it once again. That is HAEMATOLOGIST, hematologist. Clear? Okay. Moving next to the seventh one. Garima's kidneys are not functioning too well. She should consult a nephrologist. Okay, so Garima's kidney, गरिमा की जो किडनी है are not functioning too well. उसकी kidneys जो properly work नहीं कर रही है and she is facing some problems, health issues due to the improper function of his kidneys. So whom she should consult now? So she should consult a nephrologist. So she should consult a nephrologist because a nephrologist deals with the problems that are related to the kidney. Okay, so kidney problems के लिए, so the people they prefer to go to a nephrologist. Okay, so here in the question number 7, Garima's kidneys are not functioning properly. जो गरिमा है उसकी जो किडनीज है वो प्रॉपरली फंक्शन नहीं कर रही, प्रॉपरली काम नहीं कर रही हैं, एंड ही इज हैविंग सम हेल्थ इश्यूज विद दैट. सो she should get herself diagnosed from a doctor, okay, and she is going to consult a nephrologist because they deals with the patients those who are suffering with kidney problems. So she should consult a nephrologist. So spellings of nephrologist is NEPHRO logist LOGIST nephro. पहले nephro के स्पेल लर्न करिए. NEPHRO nephrologist LOGIST, that is nephrologist. Clear? Moving next to the eighth one. Karan's sister has breast cancer. She should be taken to an oncologist. जो करण की sister है, she is having breast cancer. She is suffering from breast cancer. Okay, now he wants that he should get her sister properly treated. Okay, so whom he should take her to? So she should be taken to an oncologist. Okay, so the people who are suffering with breast cancer, they should consult an oncologist. So spellings of oncologist is ONCOLOGIST. Onco. ONCOLOGIST. That is oncologist. Okay, so if someone is suffering from breast cancer, they should consult a oncologist. 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 Clear? Moving next to the ninth one. Jasprit is having breathing problems. He needs to get his lungs checked by a pulmonologist. Okay, so Jasprit is having breathing problems. So Jasprit is not able to breathe properly. Okay, and he needs to get his lungs checked because he is not able to get the proper oxygen, or he is not able to breathe properly. So that means he is having some problem or the blockage in his lungs. ओके, जब किसी देखिए आजकल आप देख रहे हो कोरोना के कारण जो कोरोना है दैट इज मोस्टली इफेक्टिंग द लंग्स. तो जो कोरोना लंग्स को इफेक्ट कर रहा है दैट इज हैविंग पीपल वेरी बैडली, एंड पीपल दे आर नॉट एबल टू ब्रीथ प्रॉपर्ली, दैट्स व्हाई दे आर डाइंग. Okay, so just as this case here कि Jasprit is having the breathing problem, Jasprit को breathing problem and that he is not able to breathe properly. He needs to get his lung checked by a, और उसको अपने lungs हैं जो check करवाने हैं, so that what kind of problem he is facing. So he should get himself diagnosed from a pulmonologist. Spelling is PULMONOLOGIST. That is pulmonologist. पहले पुल PUL पुल, मोनो MONO monologist LOGIST pulmonologist. Okay, so Jasprit is having breathing problems. He needs to get his lungs checked by a pulmonologist. Moving next to the 10th one. Dan has been having severe headaches. He thinks he should get his nerve system diagnosed by a neurologist. Okay, so Dan is been having severe headaches. तो जो दान है उसको ज्यादातर सिर जो दुखता रहता है उसको हेडेक्स होते रहते हैं. He thinks he should get his nervous system diagnosed by a, और वो अपना जो नर्वस सिस्टम है, जो हमारे हेड का पोर्शन है, जो हमारे फोरहेड से ऊपर का जो अंदर का पूरा पोर्शन है, दैट इज नोन एज नर्वस सिस्टम. वो हमारा नर्वस सिस्टम है. Okay, so Dan is suffering from headache, most probably. So if he is suffering from headache problems these days. So जो Dan है उसको headache problems हो रही है आजकल, and that he wants to get himself diagnosed from a specialized doctor who is who is dealing with the problems of nervous system. तो उसको एक specialized doctors के साथ checkup के लिए जाना है. So he should go to a neurologist. Okay, so for checking his nervous system, for the इसकी जो nervous system है उसको check करने के लिए he should consult a neurologist. So the spellings of neurologist is NEUROLOGIST. That is neuro. Neurologist. LOGIST. Neurologist. Okay, this is neurologist. So the answer for the 10th one is neurologist. Okay, moving to the 11th one now. Aniha is about to have a baby. She should go to a gynecologist. Okay, so now here we are talking about a woman. हम यहाँ पे एक woman की बात कर रहे हैं who is about to deliver a baby or who is about to have a baby, जिसका जल्दी बेबी होने वाला है. Okay, now whom she is going to consult. Okay, so she is going to consult a gynecologist. She is going to consult a gynecologist. So the gynecologist क्या होते हैं बेटा? They are the doctors who they treat the patients who are suffering with some who is about to have a deliver a baby. जिनकी अभी जल्दी who they मतलब the mostly से deal with the ladies who is about to deliver a baby. So see, Aniha is about to have a baby. She should go to a gynecologist. So the spellings of gynecologist is GYNAECOLOGIST. That is gynecologist. Okay. Moving next to the 12th one. Rag's kid need to go for a checkup. He should take them to a pediatrician. He should take them to a pediatrician. So Rag kids need to go for a checkup. तो जो राग है उनके बच्चों को, okay, it is necessary that they should also get themselves checked. Okay, he should take them to a उनको कहाँ लेके जाना पड़ेगा? He should take his kids to a pediatrician. So the spellings of pediatrician is PAEDIATRICIAN. That is pediatrician. कोई भी इसको पैडियाट्रिशियन नहीं बोलेगा, पैडिट्रिया. कई बच्चे इसको पैडियाट्रिशियन बोलते हैं. This is not pediatrician. This is pediatrician. Okay, so Rag wants to diagnose the problem or he wants to have a full body checkup of his kids. Okay, so he should take his kids to a pediatrician who will who will make all the necessary checkup of his children. That is pediatrician. You can write the spellings from the book. That is pedia, PAEDIA, pediatrician, TRICIAN. That is pediatrician. Clear? This is from page number 83. Now the tidbits that is given here is nursing is a well respected medical profession. Florence Nightingale is also Florence Nightingale is known to have established nursing as career and devoted her life to improving hospital care. She started the first nursing school. Okay, ओके सो नर्सिंग जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, देखिए नर्सिंग आप देखिए इट्स अ वेरी ग्रेट मेडिकल प्रोफेशन. ठीक है, जो फ्लोरेंस नाइटिंगेल थी, ओके, उन्होंने अपना जो करियर एज अ नर्स शुरू किया था, उसके बाद उन्होंने अपनी पूरी जिंदगी शी हैड डिवोटेड हर होल लाइफ फॉर द अपलिफ्टिंग द हम इसको अपलिफ्टिंग नहीं बोलेंगे, वी विल कॉल इट एज दैट शी हैज डिवोटेड हर लाइफ फॉर इम्प्रूविंग द पीपल हु आर having some health issues. Okay, तो उन्होंने मतलब as a nurse she has started her career and then she devoted her life for caring the patients who are suffering with some of the other kinds of problems, health issues actually. Okay, she started the first nursing school and the Florence Nightingale she उन्होंने सबसे पहला नर्सिंग स्कूल भी स्टार्ट किया था. ओके, इसीलिए देखिए उनको शी इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द लेडी विद द लैम्प. ओके, इसीलिए जो फ्लोरेंस नाइटिंगेल है उनको लेडी विद द लैम्प भी कहा जाता है. Okay, so Florence Nightingale is also known, has started her career as a medical profession, nursing as her profession. Okay, then and she has devoted her life for caring the patients who are suffering with the different health issues. Okay, she is Florence Nightingale. Clear? Let's move to the next topic. Okay, now the next topic is logos and symbols. So this is the next topic that we will start. So देखिए जो हमने पिछला टॉपिक किया बेटा, अभी हमने इससे पहले जो टॉपिक किया उसमें we have completed, along with that we have completed unit number 2. So now I'm going to start with unit number 3. Okay, and the first topic from the unit number 3 is logos and symbols. This is given at page number 40. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 40, that is logos and symbols. Okay. So here the heading that is given is match the products with their current and earlier logos. Also write the names of the product. तो देखिए यहाँ पे हमारे पास प्रोडक्ट्स दिए हुए हैं, कुछ उनके अभी प्रेजेंट लोगो क्या है और पहले लोगोस क्या थे उसके बेसिस पे. ओके, सो हमें इसका करेक्ट जो प्रेजेंट और पुराने मतलब दैट वी हैव टू मैच द करंट एंड द प्रेजेंट लोगोस ऑफ दीज कंपनीज. ओके, एंड वी हैव टू नेम इट एज वेल कि ये किस कंपनी का ये लोगो है. ओके, तो देखिए लोगोज एंड सिंबल्स क्या होते हैं, दैट इज अ रिप्रेजेंटिंग साइन. तो जैसे हम कपड़े पहनते हैं और ब्रांड्स के साइन होते हैं. ओके, उनका एक लोगो होता है. ओके, तो हमें पता लगता है कि हाँ ये इस ब्रांड का कपड़ा है या इस ब्रांड की शूज हैं. ओके, सो वैसे ही देयर कंपनीज जो होती हैं, चाहे वो कोई भी हो, चाहे वो एयरप्लेन की हो, कोई भी आईटी कंपनी हो, कोई भी हो. So all companies they have some logos and symbols. So we are going to discuss about these companies in today's session. Okay, so in the first column they have given the first logo or the symbol. Next the product क्या बनाया था उन्होंने, current logo या symbol उनका क्या है. So first is I Business International Machine. It is not in Business International Machine, it is International Business Machine. ओके, चलिए हम ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे यहाँ शुरू करते हैं. फर्स्ट इज द बीच वाले प्रोडक्ट से शुरू करते हैं. अ वीडियो गेम कंपनी. सो नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ वीडियो गेम कंपनी. सो इसमें से वीडियो गेम कंपनी कौन सी है, दैट इज Nintendo. सो Nintendo इज द नेम ऑफ अ वीडियो गेम कंपनी. सो दिस इज द आंसर. बी के आगे 1 लिखिए एंड 3 के आगे. देखिए अर्लियर उसको इस वर्ड्स में लिखा जाता था, दिस इज सम चाइनीज वर्ड्स या फिर जापानीज होंगे, तो ये ऐसे ही वर्ड्स हैं. सो Nintendo is the name of a video game company, but its current logo is option number B. So its old logo is option number B, where its current logo is option number 3. That is Nintendo. 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 Clear? Second is a web browser. Now we are talking about a web browser. So कौन सा web browser है? So this is answer number C. C में देखिए number 2 आएगा. Okay, so देखिए this is a web browser. This is Mozilla Firefox. So Mozilla Firefox की बात हो रही है, that is C. तो Mozilla Firefox का बेटा पहले जो लोगो था that was a burning swan. तो जलती हुई एक swan सी थी. This was the earlier logo of Mozilla Firefox. But अब current logo is given at option number 4. This is option number 4 is the current logo of Mozilla Firefox. This is a web browser. Next is a consumer electronics company. So अभी देखिए now we are talking about electronics company. अब हम एक electronics की company की बात कर रहे हैं. Okay, so that is electronics products वहाँ मिलते हैं. So computer electronics company is, this is Apple Corporation. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स देखिए आजकल आप आईपैड आईफोन जो कहते हैं दैट इज एप्पल कंप्यूटर्स. तो पहले जो एप्पल कंपनी थी बेटा वो दे वही मेक वो पहले क्या कंप्यूटर्स बनाती थी, बट लेटर उन्होंने आजकल नाउ दे हैव एंटर्ड इन द फील्ड ऑफ मोबाइल्स एज वेल. ओके, सो पहले सिर्फ डेस्कटॉप ये सब बनाती थी, अब वो उसने मोबाइल्स वगैरह टैब्स वगैरह भी बनवाने शुरू कर दिए, दैट इज क्वाइट कॉस्टली. Okay, so this is question number 3 was a consumer electronic company, that is Apple Computer. Option number E. E में डालिए 3. Okay, Apple Corporation का ये पुराना साइन है. Now the new sign is, this is option number 1. And Apple, देखिए Apple खाया हुआ Apple. This is the, okay, everybody must be aware of it. This is the current logo of Apple. That is option number 1. Clear? Moving next to the fourth one, a computer software and hardware company. So now we are talking about a computer की software or hardware company. So this is International Business Machine, that is option number 4. ओके, जिसको कि हम बोलते हैं IBM. तो IBM जो कंपनी है बेटा, ओके, सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट कंपनी. एक सबसे पहले आपने कंप्यूटर का, अगर आपको कंप्यूटर के चैप्टर में भी था क्लास 4 में IBM के बारे में, IBM ने सबसे पहला जो कंप्यूटर लॉन्च किया था PC कंप्यूटर और लॉन्च किया था. ओके, एंड हरमन हॉलरिथ इज दी हैज लेड द स्टेपस्टोन. उन्होंने ही ये जो कंपनी जो शुरू की थी, दैट इज इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस मशीन. So the current logo, sorry, old logo is International Business Machine, that is option number A, whereas the current logo is this, option number 5, this is IBM. Moving to the last, that is fifth is an airlines company. So now we are talking about an airlines company. So that is Air India. So here we are talking about एयर इंडिया। ओके, जो एयर इंडिया थी बेटा, उसका पहले लोगो था जो चाचा चौधरी वाज इज अर्लियर लोगो, नाउ इट्स करंट लोगो इज दिस, ऑप्शन नंबर 2. So the answer of the fifth is old logo was option number D and new logo is option number 2, that is Air India. So these are the some logos and the famous, sorry, logos and symbols of some famous countries, famous companies that are being known all over the world. Okay, so you need to learn the current logo, or you have need to identify the current and the old logo of all these companies. Okay, so with this I'm just ending the today's session here only, so I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a great day.